Hello, Jeremy from Rhodeswood in Harrogate. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I tie my favourite tie knot. First thing, very important, I never lift my collar when the shirt's been nicely pressed. And this is at the end of the day, so there's a little creasing. Just turn the edge of the tie underneath the collar and slide it round and up like that. There's no need then to break your collar. I remember helping a window dresser years ago who was horrified had lifted the collar. So that's the way to do it. I also saw James Bond do it in a film, Roger Moore, and I thought it's got to be right. So long and a shorter end, and we're taking the longer end over. Now, a lot of people prefer other knots, the Windsor knot. That comes straight over, round, up, and through. It's a very simple asymmetrical knot. I want to pinch a dimple into there and slide that up to your neck. I've got the little back end a little bit too long, the blade, but that's it. It's as simple as that. And people might say they like the symmetry of a Windsor knot or other knots. That's fine, but that's my favourite knot. It's a kind of tried not too hard, and that's the knot that I favour. Thank you.